400 brake horsepower, TTS Performance Supercharged Busa, empty private runway. You know the drill.
We also brought along a stock Gen 3 Hayabusa for reference and giggles. It may be half the power, but it's twice as easy to launch.
Oh my god, look at it. Look at it. Doesn't sound through the roof.
You might think I've drawn the short straw, getting the standard Busa first, but I'm actually fine with that, because that thing with 400 brake horsepower. Yeah, I'm a little bit scared, to be honest. Oh, look at that suit.
Oh my god.
Oh. God, I've forgotten how fast these are, and it's actually really windy today. We're in the middle of Storm Norbert or something like that. I've forgotten what his name is, but...
So Rich has set launch control to 3.5. So let's try that first. Do a couple of dry runs. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fucking hell. Oh my giddy aunt.
Didn't get anyone near the end before it started braking. That's really scary.
Which one's the air shifter wired up to?
The horn.
Okay, right. That's just what you need with 400 horsepower. Right. Oh, look at it go! Look at it go!
Whoa, don't look at the speedo when you're going as fast as that. I thought I was going to run out of runway then. Oh my giddy aunt. This thing's scaring the living shit out of me, so I tried to think what that one's like. Absolute nutter. Right, how do you turn the cruise control on this? I think you press down the start button. 3 modes, that mode will do. Right. Oh, look at it go! That thing's fast.
The sun has come out again. We've got a drying track.
I've no idea how fast I'm going, but that is absolutely frightening. In a minute he's going to ask me if I want to ride that, and I'm a little bit scared. A little bit scared. I can't do it! I can't do it! I've got all this extra space and I just can't keep it pinned for that extra split second to pass the van at half a mile. Oh.
god, I'll figure it out now. We're good, baby, we're good. Oh.
Absolutely ridiculous, isn't it?
Fuck. I mean, when I rode that at the launch here, it was fucking quick. Oh my god. If we're going to help the launch controls a little bit too hesitant, it's a bit, I think it's a bit too low now. We can get that a bit higher.
With this time. I'll tell you what, some people just never grow up, do they?
It was at this point Rich told us that the bike was in a slightly softer map to make it more rideable and easier to launch, and that we could now try it in full power mode. Oh, go on then.
Right, full power. Let's go. Holy fuck! Holy fuck! Mommy! So that is full power. Throttle body's wide open. Full unadulterated power. And that is a bit leery. You gotta ride that. That's fucking silly. that is fucking bonkers.
Without the way I had it set before.
Yeah. Yeah, ride that.
Al's let me have a go on the big bike, and I'm absolutely petrified because I was scared on that thing, and this is double the power. I mean, why anyone needs double the power, I do not know. Here we go. Oh. Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Jesus! Whoa! Fucking hell! Whoa! Oh, fucking hell! I mean, that is beyond ridiculous. That's fucking fantastic. That is what riding motorbikes is all about. Just something that is so ridiculously fast. Fucking hell! Fucking insane, isn't it? First, second and third, I don't even think I got the throttle all the way open. It's properly frightening, isn't it? I mean, I don't know why anyone needs that. You're not meant to say that. Good!
That's just silly, isn't it?
I've ridden some daft bikes in my time, but this takes the biscuit. The standard one's fast, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's beyond. I mean, all I could think about when I was riding it is nobody needs that, but I'm desperate for it.
It's like having a 20-inch dong, isn't it?
Yeah.